Before I forget, don't forget to join my AirPods giveaway over on my Instagram. Links are in the description for this post. Tag 3 friends, follow me, and you're all set to win a free pair of AirPods. You are lucky because I want free AirPods. Who doesn't want free AirPods? What is going on, guys? So Apple this week released the most underrated feature that they have ever released to Apple Music, and nobody is talking about how big of a deal this actually is. So let me tell you about it, because if not, nobody's gonna tell you about it, and it's a big deal. What is going on, guys? My name is Nikki, also known as the Lemon Boy. If you guys aren't following me on Apple Music, well, you guys probably should. I've got 5 public Apple Music playlists. 1, Fresh Lemonade, which is the latest and greatest music. 2, Old Lemons, which is the best old lemons in the music industry. 3, Breathe, which is just some calming lemons, so if you want to study, relax, to do whatever the heck you want. I've got Disney, which you guys probably understand what it is. And then I've got my favorite playlist, the Not in English playlist, which is music that is not in English. If you guys want to go ahead and follow me on Apple Music, you guys want to listen to the music that I listen to, links are in the description down below. Okay, so Apple. When Apple first released Apple Music, Apple released Beats One, which was the first ever worldwide radio station, which was great. So the problem that Beats One had, at least for me, is that first of all, there was only one radio station from Apple. So let's say I was listening to Beats One on my AirPods. I didn't like the song that they were playing, and there was nothing else I could do. Of course, I could listen to my music, but that defeats the whole purpose of the new radio station concept that Apple is building, which is a great concept. Also, the hosts were great. For example, Zane Lowe. I love Zane Lowe. We've also got Edward Darden, Brooke Reese. There's a bunch of hosts which are super talented in the music industry, but they are nobody that I can relate to. They are nobody that I listen to, and that was another problem for me. Apple actually says since Apple Music's launch in 2015, Beats One has grown into one of the most listened to radio stations in the entire world. That is some very impressive stuff, but I feel like Apple knew that people weren't really that into Beats One, or they could bring this whole new concept to a whole new level, and that's exactly what they have done. So what has Apple done? Apple has rebranded Beats One to Apple Music One. So Beats One is technically gone, just the naming. And Apple Music One is the new Beats One, and they've twisted the concept a bit. So the Apple Music hosts, Zane Lowe, for example, they are still here. They are not leaving, but that's not the main focus of Apple Music One now. Now, the actual hosts of the actual episodes are actually artists. So artists like Lady Gaga, Billie Eilish, Elton John, Lil Wayne, Frank Ocean, Travis Scott, J Balvin, they will actually be the hosts of these actual episodes. Now, I know, and by the way, this is not it. Keep watching because there's a lot of more stuff that Apple has released, but I know in the 21st century, it is hard for a company to surprise us. But it's time to respect music now. I feel like today, the way that we treat music, I feel like we don't really respect music. I feel like we are too spoiled with music. If we were able to say 50 years ago that J Balvin, that Elton John was actually going to produce episodes for us, shows for us, nobody would have believed this. And this is happening right now with Apple Music. If you're not really a big fan of music, you just listen to music sometimes, this might not be a big deal for you. But if you actually respect music, if you actually like music, you are going to know that this is a huge deal. Okay, so apart from Apple Music One, as I was saying, Apple knew that sometimes people didn't really like a song that was playing, and the person just stopped listening to the radio station. So what has Apple done? Apple has released 2 new radio stations, which are live, which are led by artists as hosts, and they have released Apple Music Hits, which is celebrating everyone's favorite songs from the 80s, 90s, and 2000, and Apple Music Country, which is spotlighting country music. Once again, I'm not against country music, but I feel like it's just an interesting choice that Apple has done. One big feature inside of Apple Music Radio, whenever you're listening to these radio stations, is whenever you're actually listening to these radio stations and you actually like a song, you know, if you're listening to a normal radio station, you'd grab Shazam or you'd be Siri, what song is this? But with Apple Music Radio, you can just open up the radio and the actual song will actually pop up on your iPhone, so you can just add it to your library directly, or you can add it to a playlist. And that's why this is so awesome, that you just keep on listening to music led by artists, led by actual talented hosts, that you can just keep on listening. Apple Music just keeps getting better and better, and it keeps crushing Spotify step by step. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are Team Spotify or Team Apple Music, but I'm just so in love with Apple Music. I'm so in love with the way that Apple is treating the artists, the listeners. I'm just super excited. And you know, J Balvin, I love J Balvin, and J Balvin has a freaking show on Apple Music One, and I'm so excited. I love J Balvin. He's the best. Don't forget to join my AirPods giveaway over on Instagram. Also on my Instagram stories every Friday, I update you guys. I let you guys know when I update the playlist, and I let you know what the best songs of the week were over on my Instagram. So go do that. Go follow me on Instagram, because once again, you guys can join and win a freaking pair of AirPods for free. And yeah, listen to some good music. Let me know in the comments down below also some music that I should listen to. I'm always down to listening to some different. Send me some country music, for goodness sake. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
That's life. That's life. That's what all the people say.